connections was finished this round.
Hi, my name's Kathy. I'm from Betws and I come to the Tanio Centre to the carers group as I'm a carer for dad with dementia, which is very challenging. And when I come to the group I feel relaxed and I can express myself. They need more groups like this to get people like my dad out and myself out, so I have a chance to have a break. And these groups help it. They do really help it. Yeah.
Are we ready?
My name's Rob, so I look after my youngest daughter. She's now 13 years old. She's autistic. It's taken us quite a long time to get that diagnosis. And then sort of trying to balance that with work life as well as a family is a really big challenge. Effectively, for me and for us, we are parenting really in a very different way to how we parented with our first child. So it's almost learning something completely different as well.
Well, I'm Emma and I'm a mum of 4. My main caring role is my 14-year-old son. He is autistic and goes through the pathway for ADHD as well. He is not understood in the disabled community. What that means is he doesn't get to develop what a normal 14-year-old boy would be able to do. He does over 19.5 hours a week of sports. That's not including what my other children need. So I come to the Mracla group every Friday, and at first I thought, what on earth have I been roped into? Why am I writing poetry? Why am I drawing? Why am I singing? This is stuff that I would never ever normally do or take time out of my day to do. If you're running late or you're having a bad day, everybody just opens up their arms and we all have a nice cuddle and it just brightens the day up. And you make you think, well, I've actually got the next week, and then you tend to think, I'm enjoying this, I want to go back again. And hearing other people's struggles, you think, John, mine are not that bad, I'm okay and I've got this. Yes, it's tiring, it's exhausting. There are so many other people that struggle immensely more than me. I might not be able to do anything with that, but I just want to tell them they're okay and they're not alone.
So my name is Laura Jaffs. We've worked with Tanio on quite a few projects, who are the organisation who've been overseeing this Connecting Carers project. Basically asked to come and facilitate the sessions, so come in and basically create a safe, fun space for carers to come in and chat with each other, a bit of peer support. But also there's been so much laughter and silliness and people genuinely finding ways to help each other out. The whole point of these groups is it's for people who have so many responsibilities and are caring for so many people. With all of the creative sessions we've been running, we've been trying to mix up the types of creative activities we'd be doing each week. And we thought, well, why don't we get a bit of music into the group? So carers could basically get out all of these feelings and a mix of frustrations, but also the sort of joyful side of caring, everything just kind of out on paper, and then together then we were able to form it into this really beautiful song, and then Matthew created this incredible melody, and it's been stuck in my head ever since.